name is Alan Brewer, and I will be doing an unboxing of the MacBook Pro. First, I begin by taking my trusty pocket knife and opening the shipping package. Now that my shipping box is open, I pull out the main package, the Apple MacBook Pro package. This is the 13-inch 512 gigabyte model. Now I'll take my pocket knife again and remove the cellophane from the MacBook box. And now for the moment of truth. Now I will begin by removing my MacBook Pro from the box so we can see what all is inside the box. This is the documentation package that comes with all Apple products. And this is the MagSafe charging adapter. So here we have the extension cord for the charging adapter, and the documentation. And now to peel the plastic cover off the MacBook. And now I open my MacBook for the first time ever. And there you have it, my official Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch 512 gigabyte model unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it and subscribe to my YouTube channel.